So how to install iOS 10 Beta 1, and should you? So first off, I just want to give props to Dino Zambas. He was the first person to post about this, so I will link his video down below in the description. Now, this is a no computer way how to download and install iOS 10. It is absolutely fantastic. I don't know if this is something Apple could patch, but right now it works. You don't need anything. You don't need a developer account. You don't need to pay for anything. It's so simple and can be done from your device. But beyond that, yeah, we know it's easy to install. We know it can be done should you do it. So I'm currently working on a video. I'm actually done with it. I'm showing you all the best features of iOS 10. It's rendering, and this is going to be uploaded first. And my impression of iOS 10 after using it for a few hours is that it is very buggy. Now, my biggest complaint is just how slow. Look at that delay. I mean, really. So right here, let's open up settings and close it at the same time. It is absolutely slow. Like every normal task is now multiplied the amount of time you need to spend on it. Not only that, it's just, you know, I've had crashes on crashes, just things that don't usually crash. And do I need to be telling you guys this? iOS 10 is absolutely a beta. Obviously, it's still a beta, so things are not going to be smooth, not as smooth as a regular release. So I just want you guys to know that if you are installing this, the only reason I could see people installing it is just to check it out. There's a lot of cool things to learn. There's so many things I'm still discovering that aren't being talked about, and that's the fun in it, like discovering these little things. So if you guys want to have a field day, a little journey into the world of iOS, I'm going to show you how to install it. Now, how to remove it, it's very simple. I will show you that as well. All right, so let me show you how to do this. It's very, very simple. So here is a device. I'm on 9.3.3, a beta currently. So what you want to do first is go into any profiles you may have that say iOS beta software profile. You want to delete the old one, so just delete it. And if you have that installed, you know, I did. But anyways, most of you won't. So down below in the description, I will provide you a link to this site. In here, you want to click on the top right and select direct download. So this will open up in settings, select install, go ahead and agree to this and install. And now you want to go ahead and restart your device. So I don't know why this works. It seems like Apple wouldn't want you to install this until the public beta next month, but this works. It's a really, really cool workaround. Works on any device. And while my device is restarting, I just wanted to clear something up with you. Not every device is supported. So Apple's website was using outdated information. So apparently there was a discrepancy between what they said at the keynote and on their website, and I gave you guys some wrong information. More devices will be unsupported in iOS 10. So the devices that cannot install iOS 10 are the iPhone 4S, the iPod Touch 5th generation, the iPad Mini 1, iPad 2, iPad 3, and I believe that's it. So, you know, I'm sorry about that misinformation. It's just different on Apple's website for some reason. So once our device restarts, we're going to jump into settings, go into general, software update, and in here we will see that. Really, that's all it took. It is so simple. Now, of course, if this ever stops working, guys, you guys can always go into iTunes, select shift-click update, and download iOS 10 from a sketchy website. Not going to say where, but it can be done with an alternate method in case this ever stops working, which I could possibly see that happening in the future. But right now, this is starting. It's not a fast install, I got to tell you that. And once more, it is not recommended for daily use. It is very buggy at the moment. So you guys, in order to ever remove the update, you guys want to go into profiles and delete the profile. And then in iTunes, you want to shift click update.